Once all levels of the Tier 1 progress report has been verified by the lead applicant, you can now request signatures. Clicking on Request Signatures will take the lead applicant to see an overview of what the DocuSign package entails. Once you have read, the lead applicant can request signatures, where they will be redirected to the DocuSign website. Here, the lead applicant will need to enter their name and their email address, as well as the name and the email address of the superintendent designee. And then click on Begin Signing. Once you click on Begin Signing, you will be redirected to DocuSign to review the progress report that was completed and also to enter the funding allocation amount for the reporting fiscal year. The user will also need to enter or click on Sign to enter their signature. Once the signature has been applied, you can click on Finish, and you will have the option to download a copy or print a copy of the DocuSign documents. Then you can click Close. The superintendent and designee will receive an automated email to review the progress report in DocuSign as well and to sign. Once all signatures have been gathered, the lead applicant is ready to submit their progress report.